I don't know how often you get to do this, but it's rare for me, and getting to celebrate it with such creative folks that I really respect and admire is a big deal, and getting to see, that sort of inspirational sort of fandom is my juice, and so I get all lit up. And everyone here is all about the love for movies, and does that sound so nerdy? It's nerdy, but it's so true, it's so real. And getting to play in a movie like this is just, yeah, my DNA's all shifting from it, so yeah. Well, ever since Angus pitched the film, we've all been hooked into what would that film have been. And the years that it took to get there and to finally see it, it's beyond the expectations of yeah, this would have been Andy's Star Wars. This would have been that film that sort of ignited a kid's imagination. And they've taken it with a tone that feels different, but it's still fun and heavy and all of that. But yeah, it was such a joy.